Hi everyone! Many of you grew your salad station with us in the first month of the Grow Your Groceries with CaliKim garden subscription box. This is a monthly subscription box that contains a hands-on garden project, including seeds, soil, growing containers, all kinds of fun garden goodies, instructions for me, and access to a special video that shows you exactly how to plant that month's veggies.
Now that first subscription box sold out. Box number 2, April's box, is ready to ship, so don't delay.
That's right. April boxes start shipping the first week of April. You can grab yours over at CaliKimGardenandHome.com. You're going to love all the fun garden goodies that we've planned for you for this month. And you can get $5 off your first month's box with the code APRILSUBBOX. So head over and grab yours today before they sell out.
And this last month's box, this is everything we grew from that box.
With our new garden subscription box, growing your own veggies couldn't be easier, and it's a ton of fun.
If you received last month's subscription box, leave a comment down below about what you loved about it so the others can read about them.
In fact, here's what some of last month's subscribers are saying. Ashleah said, "My boyfriend and I had so much fun planting the first box. You make things so easy, CaliKim, to follow along and understand, especially for a beginner like myself. Thank you. I can't wait to see what's in future boxes."
Now here's a cool one from Lynn. Lynn says, "The artwork is beautiful and I love the organic look and feel of everything.
Cool.
As usual, you don't disappoint. CaliKim and Camera Guy, great job. I love the care and thought that went into everything included. I like the fact that I don't have to think about this. It will come monthly and I just need to plant and care for it."
Wow, that's great, Lynn. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you're enjoying it. Shalina said, "I just planted everything in my new box. It was easy to follow the instructions. My favorite thing in the box was all the care that went into creating something so special. My daughter has fallen in love with gardening and loves to watch The Garden Lady." Awesome. I love it. We're so glad that you're enjoying growing your groceries along with us. If you don't have your box yet, head over to CaliKimGardenandHome.com and grab your April box before they run out. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.